My name's Nick over at NavigatorNick.com, showing you how to get the most bang for your travel buck. Today we are talking about packing cubes and packing tips, what they are, how to use them, and how to maximize luggage space when packing. Okay, so these are some of the packing cubes that I use. They're just cheap $20 packing cubes on Amazon. And the reason for packing cubes is to compress your clothes into these bags to save on space. Now, the technique is to roll your clothes. So for instance, these are my shorts. These are my shorts. So in this little bag, I fit 1, 2, 3 pairs of rolled shorts and 2 bathing suits. And then once these are in here, rolled up like so, I could actually fit more in here if I wanted to. I could probably fit 2 more pairs of shorts. But then when you zipper it up, what the packing cube does is squeeze and compress, and then it has these vents so you can get the air out. And that way, everything is nice and tight. Not only that, it keeps everything organized. So when I'm on a trip and I want to pull out an outfit, I pull out my shorts packing cube, then I pull out my shirt packing cube. Obviously, I have a lot more shirts than shorts, but the same technique applies. All my shirts in here are rolled very tightly. So here are some shirts. Here are some tank tops. I even have a pair of workout shorts in here as well. Probably should have put those in the other one, but that's all right. And I have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pair of shorts, 9. These are my dress shirts, so I didn't roll those. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 shirts in this one packing cube. Now it probably weighs about 5 pounds because I weighed it on my scale. But as you can see, once you put everything in here, roll it, use the packing cubes to compress everything. You can get more or less packing cubes. This last one here, I usually use this for boxers, briefs, or socks. So again, you could fit a bunch of stuff in here by rolling your socks. Another good thing to do is put your socks inside your extra shoes if you have those packed on your carry-on. That way no space gets unused. The other thing I use to pack are my tech pouches. So these are by Travelon. I'll leave a link in the description below on how you get these and the packing cubes. And so what I do with these is put miscellaneous cords, batteries, power banks, and just keep everything kind of organized. This one's usually my GoPro one. This is for miscellaneous cables, and this one I'll use for extra camera batteries and camera accessories. So again, those will be on Amazon. They're super cheap. I think they're like 15 or 20 bucks. Again, keeps everything organized in your bag, so when you get to your destination, your bag's not a complete mess. And if you're moving from place to place like we do, we usually switch hotels every 2 or 3 nights. Everything has its place, and that way when we're ready to go, everything goes back in the bags, back in the pouches, and the pouches go right in the carry-on, and it's all organized again for the next place. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, happy travels and keep on navigating.